my new stencil. We'll go with the sea theme. Got the idea from, can't quite remember how to say his name without looking at it, but some dude helped me, gave me the idea to do it. I like them. Let me know what y'all think. Just wait. I made a bunch. I'm just trying to get to the better ones in a minute. Alright, here's my favorite ones. Where I completely covered the background and then painted it. And then these last two kind of sprinkled red behind it. But this one looks the best. Kind of like a blood splatter, I guess. That's the new stencil. Let me know what y'all think. Alright, comment, rate, subscribe.